is how to retrieve a message from your trash or a message you've once deleted. So you feel like you need that message. So all you have to do is go to your trash. You go to your trash and then you look at for the message you wish to retrieve. Let's assume you want to retrieve this message. All you have to click it's that box and then you move to where are you moving it to? Is it to your inbox? Is it to your response require? Let's just move it to inbox and see what will happen. You see, action completed. So let's go to our inbox and so it's over here. As you can see, let's move up. So as you can see, this is the message we moved from our trash to our inbox use plus.